Hello guys, my name is Kota for Kota Speaker Radio Capacity Killer, and in this video we will make a comparison video between the KPL Polybox Encore System 2 versus the KPL Polybox 110. And we will make a comparison with the bass test, but it's done with the music for up to 3 YouTube channel for more. Yep. So the KPL Polybox Encore System have 100 watts of power and have 15 hours of playtime and have some multi-speaker connection. It does work with the portable speakers over here like KPL Go 4. So that means one 5.25 inch woofers and two tweeters over here. They have 6 light shows and they have some bass boost over here, and on the back we have some bass boost, and this one wait for talking time over here, and on the back over here that we got microphones over here, the volume switch to guitars and a microphone plug it in. And this is USB-C for charging with the Polylight stick. If you're talking about phone with the Polylights over here, that we got clipping on speakers or other speakers. And they have some AUX jack over here. And on the bottom, we have battery replacement, yep. And also with KPL Polybox 110 have 12 hours of playtime and have 160 watts of powers. Yep. They have two 5.25 inch woofers and two tweeters with the light shows over here. And they have some bass boost buttons and the 5 volts light shows over here. And on the back we have this went for the plug-in for the microphone, and this is the volume of microphones. Yep. And this is USB-C. When you plug it on the phones, if you want to charge my phones or Polylights or the KPL speakers over here, and this is the twins buttons, and this is the two aux jack over here. This is aux in and this is aux out. And this is the volume of guitar time, and this is volume for the plug-in for guitar over here, and this is the bass boosts over here, and this is when it came for plug-in time, and the same as Polybox Encore System 2. Yep. So we will make a bass test first with the KPL Polybox Encore System 2.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend of me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up.
Now great. The KPL Polybox Encore System is the sound quality was better with the AI sound boost over here. That actually said it, and it says copyright free over here. In French it says sans droit d'auteur. So yep. And now let's test with the KPL Polybox 110 now.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend of me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up, so what can make a better me?
And now great, to clip your partybox activated, that just activate bass boost. So yep. Now we will put backwards now to make even the bass test. With the test with presence test. Yep. And now I just set backwards to put on the bass test. And now we're gonna check the music over here. Now the music. And let's check into test with frequency test. And now let's start with a hand to the 10. Now great. The GPU partybox I had to tell has more powerful than the GPU partybox authorization, but we do not test it yet of the GPU partybox authorization. Now we will find out. Now great. The GPU partybox authorization is small and have 100 watts, but the GPU partybox 110 is more powerful than the GPU partybox. Of course, it's but the sound quality is better, but with the GPU partybox, of course, the sound quality was better. So, yep. And now I guess. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my Speaker YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. And see you soon for the bass test. But this time with the GPU partybox, of course, this show versus the GPU partybox I had to return as a short one. And now that's it. Cheers!